In the heart of a vast jungle, there lived a mighty lion named Sharu. Sharu was the strongest animal in the jungle, and he knew it. His powerful roar would echo through the forest, sending chills down the spines of all creatures. Every animal feared him, even the largest of buffaloes would bow before him. But Sharu was not only strong, he was also full of pride. He believed no one in the jungle was as important or as powerful as him. He would strut around the jungle, scaring the small animals for fun and mocking others. He believed he ruled over everything and everyone. One hot afternoon, Sharu was walking near a waterhole when he spotted an old elephant named Badal. Badal was wise, calm, and respected by all animals for his knowledge and kindness. He was big, but he never used his strength to hurt anyone. Sharu sneered when he saw Badal. Why does everyone respect this slow and wrinkled creature? Sharu thought. He walked up to Badal and said loudly so others could hear, "Old elephant, why does everyone listen to you? Don't you know I am the king of the jungle? You are nothing compared to me." Badal opened one eye slowly, looked at Sharu, and replied in a calm voice, "Sharu, you may be strong and fierce, but strength is not everything. Wisdom and kindness are also important." Sharu laughed loudly. "Wisdom? Kindness? Those are words for weak animals. I have my strength, and that's all I need. You old elephant, I can defeat you in a second if I want." Badal shook his head and said nothing more. The other animals watched silently. The next day, as Sharu roamed the jungle, he saw a huge tree fallen across the river, blocking the water flow. All the animals were gathered there, worried because they couldn't drink from the blocked stream. Sharu roared, "Step aside, I'll handle this." He dug his claws into the tree, bit it, pulled it, but the heavy log did not move an inch. Sharu tried and tried, but failed miserably. Exhausted, he sat down. The other animals began whispering and looking disappointed. Then Badal slowly walked to the riverbank. Without saying a word, he wrapped his strong trunk around the tree and, with steady strength, pushed it away. The water began to flow again, and the animals cheered. Badal turned to Sharu and said gently, "Strength is important, Sharu, but it is useless without wisdom and patience. Even the strongest need others, and even the smallest deserve respect." Sharu lowered his head in shame, realizing how proud and arrogant he had been. From that day on, Sharu became a little more humble and began treating others with respect. Moral of the story: pride can blind you to others' worth. True strength lies in wisdom, patience, and respecting everyone, big or small.